Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need Ga4 property access and a working tag manager or GTag. JS on the site. Once confirmed, decide the event name and which parameters matter, like page path or value. In GTM, create a new tag, choose Google Analytics, Ga4 event, enter your measurement ID, and name the event exactly. Then add an appropriate trigger, click, form submit, or page view with filters. Make sure to save and leave preview mode active to validate immediately. Now populate parameters so analytics can report actionable details. Use fixed fields for static values and data layer variables for dynamic content. Push events with data layer. Push event. Purchase item ID 123 value 29.99. Once done, in GTM, map those variables into the Ga4 event parameters section and confirm types. Make sure to add consistent naming conventions so the same parameter doesn't appear as multiple entries. Then test event firing in preview. Finish by validating your event in Ga4 debug view in real time. You should see the event name and parameter values instantly. If you need parameters available in reports, register them under Configure Custom Definitions and wait up to 24 hours. Once validated, publish the GTM container. If events don't appear, check for typos in event names, measurement ID mismatches, or blocked requests from ad blockers. Test in a clean browser profile and use
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.